Okay, so if you ever wondered what you sound like when you snore, this is what you sound like when you snore. I could kill you. Remember that right now. I could kill you with one of my dull knives. Because I haven't gotten sleep for about 2 weeks. I'm on the breaking point, Steve. And I could possibly do it tonight. So let's see what happens. Here we go. Ready? Let's go. So here we go to get the knife. Well, even that didn't wake you up. Here we go. Into the kitchen. Oh, look, I think that's it right there. Yeah. Oh, it's got a little bit of garbage on it. Look how it glows in the light. Isn't that fantastic? Wow. Here we go. Ready? Ready? Steve, wake up!